Particular tutorial we are in the key of F, okay, but the song was done in the key of G, but I'll be playing the key of F, okay. So this is a request that most of you have been saying that I should break it down. So the song title is Tiawa. That's the song that we are breaking down today. So let's check the intro that I'm doing. So basically I'm doing two things at the same time, okay. So I don't know if the pitch bend is showing, okay. So basically I'm going to show you what I'm doing, okay, because this part that they did this, okay, I'm going to show you how to do that on the pitch bend, okay. So first that they were doing the, okay, first of all let's check the tone that I'm using, okay. So the tone that I'm using is 60 clean, okay. 60 clean. So on the Yamaha PSR you find that particular tone 60 clean, okay. So that's the tone that I'm using, okay. So basically I'm doing this. So what am I doing? Basically I'm doing the mi fa so, okay, but here just that I'm doubling it down, okay? So that's what I'm doing, but just that the so when I play it, I use the pitch bend. Alright, so one more time. Okay. So what is that? Basically I'm doing this. Mi fa so fa mi re. Okay. The left hand is doing mi fa so fa mi re. Then the right hand is doing this then the so I use the pitch bend. You slide it up, okay. Okay. Then you play do re mi so, okay. Do re mi so. Okay. So one more time. Alright. Then you hit the do. Okay. One more time slowly. Okay. Let's speed it up. Then the song will start. You stood up for me. Goes like this. They do. Then fa. Then so. And then do back. So basically follow the same progression, but just that when they were doing passing chord, okay. So basically any passing chord you can do between this particular chords, you are good to go. So when they sing the song like 1, 2, 3, they did a particular point to initiate it to the chorus or something like that, okay. So that part it goes like basically I'm not gonna stress much on this particular song. Subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in another video. Bye.